Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be talking about rocks in geography, the subject. Rocks form the solid mineral foundation of our planet's crust. They shape our landscapes and reveal Earth's remarkable history. These geological time capsules help us understand our planet's structure and processes that they have shaped it over billions of years. So, types of rocks overview. So, igneous rocks are formed from cooling magma or lava. Sedimentary rocks are created through deposition and sedimentation of materials. And metamorphic rocks are transformed through heat and pressure. So these three are types of rocks and how they're formed. Rocks continuously transform through the rock cycle. Each type tells a unique story about Earth's processes. So here's like examples of igneous rocks. So it's intrusive rocks, so forms underground with slow cooling. So the difference between intrusive and extrusive is that the rocks are formed at a surface where rapid cooling, and intrusive rocks are formed underground with slow cooling. So they're coarse grained texture, for example granite, and visible mineral crystals. Extrusive rock volcanic forms at rapid cooling, fine grained or glassy. Examples are obsidian and pumice, and may contain gas bubbles. So sedimentary rocks. Weathering and erosion. Existing rocks break down into fragments and particles. Transportation and deposition. Water, wind, or ice moves and deposits sediments in layers. Compaction and cementation. So pressure squeezes out water. Minerals bind particles together. Sedimentary rocks often contain fossils. They preserve Earth's surface history like pages in a book. So as you can see on the left, the image, it shows you how it looks. And here are metamorphic rocks. So they're high-grade metamorphism. Extreme conditions create highly altered rocks. Medium-grade metamorphism. Moderate heat and pressure cause significant changes. And low-grade metamorphism. Slight alteration of original rock texture. Okay, so here are some examples and characteristics. So the rock type, igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. And the examples of igneous rock are granite, basalt, and obsidian. The key features are interlocking crystals or glass. So sedimentary rocks are sandstone, limestone, and shale. And the key features are visible layers and fossils. So for sedimentary, limestone is a permeable rock, so water can pass through it. That's why it has visible layers. And a metamorphic, slate, marble, or gneiss, and it's floating and bonding. So the importance of rock study. So one is Earth's history, resource exploration, and natural hazards. Rocks record past environmental conditions and events to help us reconstruct ancient landscapes. Resource exploration. Understanding rock formation guides the search for minerals, metals, and energy resources. And natural hazards. Rock studies help predict volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, and landslides. So the summary and key takeaways. So classification. Rocks are categorized by formation. Igneous from magma, sedimentary from deposits, and metamorphic transformed. And then dynamic processes. The rock cycle shows how rocks continuously transform through Earth's geological processes. Scientific value. Rock studies reveal Earth's history and help locate resources essential for human civilization. And then next slide, here are some past exam papers I did. I think this is the 2024 exam paper. And then these are some questions maybe you can read over. And then, for example, explain the diagram below which shows the structure of a volcano. And we have to fill in the words. So the first one is volcanic cloud, B is crater, C is lava flow, D is vent, and E is chamber. And write each of the letters A, B, C, D, and E next to the feature that best matches table below. And ash cloud is A, crater is B, vent is D, and lava flow is C, and magma chamber is E. And then name one example of an active volcano. And I said Mount Sicily. What name is given to a volcano that has not erupted in many hundreds of years, may erupt again? It's called dormant. And then that's just another question. These are more questions. On the left and right. And this is more questions. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.